falling out of each other's way.
So here we are being paddled somewhere in the Mekong Delta by two really hardworking crews, and we just sit there and enjoy ourselves.
This is true. This is true.
Prehistoric mangrove. I'm making a video, Helena. Say hi.
Hello, Neil.
Ah, lovely.
And there.
Yes. Growing up in New York City, Helena, did you think that you would do this ever when you were a child?
How many of us ever thought we'd be doing this?
I never would have thought this, ever.
Well, that day that you saw that person and thought, that's him?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That was the moment.
Uh-huh.
This is kind of awesome.
This is kind of awesome.
It is awesome.
Agree with that.
Well, we'll keep rolling on.